Hi, my name is Rashid Saka, and I'm the Executive Director, the Police Athletic Labs Nigeria Africa Chapter. Invariably, after PAL African Chapter will have been settled in Nigeria, we're going to Ghana, we go to the rest of African countries to have chapters. That is our goal. So it's not going to be just Nigeria, EU. I'm representing Africa Chapter. It is not just Nigeria, but we have to start development from Nigeria because Nigeria has the greatest population in Africa, one, and Nigeria is in every part of African country, two. So we got to start it from Nigeria because Nigeria will be the headquarters, like African Union headquarters. African Police Athletic Labs of Africa, we have its headquarters in Nigeria. So what we want now is the support of every interesting people, because one thing that this is important is one. We're using this program to settle scores of all the aggrieved youths in Nigeria that have joined the militants in the oil region, that have become thugs to the politicians, that have become recruits to terrorist organizations like Boko Haram in Nigeria. So we are trying to use the organization to curb and settle them, because our problem in Nigeria and Africa as a whole is unemployment. And an hungry man is an angry man. So when we get this program settled down, we settle them, because an idle mind is the devil's workshop. We want to get them occupied, we want to get the youth occupied, we want to get everybody occupied so that they will be busy. Since when they are idle that they go into crime. This is one of the main objectives of this organization in Nigeria. Police Athletic and Activities League program, to make it work in Nigeria, we have to identify the problem of Nigeria youth, which is mainly unemployment, and it is unemployment that makes them to become recruits for thuggery, for militancy, for terrorist organizations, of which, if not curtailed at this time, it could become a very great problem in the near future for the rest of the world. And as to this, PAL has earmarked 3 programs that will be of good benefit for the children of the country and the rest of Africa as a whole. They are on education, sports, and agriculture. As per education, we see that in Nigeria there are so many unemployments, going to millions. Every year they go to the university. The conventional university have not been a basic help for Nigerian youth. It has been a source of frustration for these children. And what we are trying to do is to now diversify from conventional education and build a university for basic professionals in Nigeria. And this university, because when we see that children these days, when they graduate from universities, when there is no job, those that could not go to crime will come back to start learning barbing, hairdressing, tailoring, and co, of which they are trying to do at a shameful level. But what we want to do is we want to now open university for basic professionals. We call it University College for Basic Professionals, of which after school starts, when you are recruited into this university, you are going to go and learn. The first year of learning in the university will be to study 3 international languages: English language, Spanish, and any other international that the student might like to choose. But it must be 3 international languages so that they will be internationally accepted to the rest of the world. After that first 1 year, they will now go to the courses of their mind, of which we are going to have textile, we are going to have every other basic things that they used to learn after graduating from conventional school. They have to learn it straight, and then I'll be proud of themselves, and then I'll be self-employed. These are the things that has been the basic problem of Nigeria and the rest of Africa, because conventional education is no more helping the matter, because we have medical doctors that are taxi drivers, we have so many of them, journalists that are supposed to be, because there is no job, and government is not providing job opportunities for these children. Even though they are providing, cannot even get to 1% of the children that graduate every year. So this is one. And when they start producing footwear factory, everything, because we are going to have lecturers from Italy, we have lecturers from the United States of America, we have lecturers from Spain, we have lecturers from France on dressing. So all these things, when they learn it on the standard form in the university, well certificated, then they will be able to set up on their own and be self-employed. And what we want to do to make them happy, one, those that doesn't want to work in Nigeria or Africa continent, we send them abroad to all these people, to all these companies where they could be useful. And those that want to stay back to work, we are going to start buying from them all their products, because in every state capital of the Federation, we want to have something like Walmart stores in America. We will call it Walmart in Nigeria. It will be in every state capitals of the country, where we are going to be selling all their products. All these graduates from that place will be selling all their products. It does not debar them from selling to the public on their own. This is to get them happy and be self-employed, because they be idle. An idle mind is just the devil's workshop. You can find us on the web at nationalpower.org. Check out my life, mypower.org.